Papyrus, the Greek philosopher, said, enthusiasm cannot continue automatically. It must be renewed with new action, new insight, and new vision. I am Arif Gilany, the founder of Camel Care and the 90-day Transformation Challenge. I have taken this course personally, and I taught this course all over the world with 100% success. Success is defined as a predetermined, worthwhile endeavor or goal. Now, this endeavor has to be predetermined, like a business plan. Yes, we do have business plans, and you have to customize it to your own being, to who you are. So we're going to go through some of the most important fundamental needs in terms of the program. It's going to be in 2-hour sessions. For 30 minutes will be subject matter experts and sharing their point of view, and you will be introducing yourself to my mastermind and my team, if you will, in a 2-minute elevator pitch. After that, the second half of the session is I will bring out the new insight from the coaching program that was designed in the UK for African universities. We have condensed this and we've revised it for Canada, as I am the only certified coach in Canada to teach this new insight through the World Game Changers that I attended in 2023. Let me tell you why you should be there, because first of all, you will find purpose. Now, these are the words that we don't use on everyday basis. We're going to talk adult talk. We're going to talk about responsibility. We're going to talk about accountability. We're going to talk about taking action. We're going to talk about trust. We're going to talk about belief. We're going to talk about direction. We're going to talk about success. We're going to talk about understanding. We're going to talk about balance. We're going to talk about love. We're going to talk about mostly personal growth, because all of the things that I just told you are byproduct of growing personally. We're going to talk about also wealth. We're going to talk about financial services opportunities. We're going to talk about profits through franchising. We're going to talk about fulfillment in coaching and mentorship. And we're going to talk about education and consultation for those who need that. And we're going to talk about business consultation, startups, and a whole lot of slew of things. It is a 90-day program. Therefore, it will take once a week, every Thursday, for about 1.5 hours of your time to totally transform your life. And you will see how this opportunity can change your life. And it has done with me and many of my clients. Come and check us out Thursday. See if it works for you. See if you're going to get the same feeling that we do. We are committed to helping grow our community, but community growth starts with personal growth. In our program, you're going to get notes and you're going to get assignments every single day, like a homework. Like I just went to pick up my son and he was not feeling very good. He was under the weather. I rushed through school, give him a smile, pick him up. I said, how bad is it? Now I got to think like a nurse. Okay? You can be aware and conscious of the things that are important to you. When I'm going to pick up my son because he is a little bit ill, I cannot be thinking like a father. I have to think like a nurse to see how serious. And then when I found out that was not that serious, we just continued with our day. Okay? Assess the situation. We're going to run every client, every candidate through a fundamental needs assessment. We'll do a SWOT analysis on your abilities, skills, and strengths and weaknesses. We're going to do a complete transformation of your person and personality and teach you some techniques on how to public speak, how to grab the attention of other people, how to present your business, your idea, your life, your venture to a public, to a person, in a presentation, in an interview. You're going to get insight into the corporate world and to insight into the everyday street work. If you fit anywhere in between, you know, there's only 4 ways to make money. an employee, self-employed business owner, and an investor. If you're any of the above, I think you should be there on Thursday. I look forward to seeing some of you. Check out WeFitter University. Click on Arif Gilany. Book an appointment right there, and I'll be glad to give you some more information on what you need. We only have 48 hours left, and Thursday, 7 p.m., it's light on action. The next chapter of my life and my students' life starts Thursday at 7 p.m. We'd like you to be there as a witness. Would you like to join us?